In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a hyperlink in GoDaddy Website Builder quickly and easily. Whether you want to link to another website, a product page, a social profile, or any external resource, this simple method will help you create clickable links in just a few steps. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy website builder guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your GoDaddy account and go to your website dashboard. Once you're there, click Edit Website to open the builder. This will take you into the editing view where you can make changes to your site content. Now here's an important step. Before you add the link, press Escape on your keyboard so that you are not selecting any specific section. This helps make sure you're working in the right place and prevents you from accidentally editing the wrong element on the page. Next, look at the right-hand panel inside the GoDaddy editor. On that panel, click the plus icon. This is where you can add new elements or features to your page. Once the menu opens, choose the option to add a link to an external website. After that, you'll need to enter your link. Copy and paste the full URL of the website you want to send visitors to. Make sure the link is correct and complete, including the proper HTTPS format if needed. This is the destination your users will go to when they click the hyperlink. Now enter a title for the link. This is the text that will help identify the link inside your website builder, so choose something clear and descriptive. For example, you might name it based on the page or destination it points to. Once everything looks good, click Create Link. GoDaddy will save the hyperlink and add it to your site content. At this point, your link should be ready to use and you can click it in the builder to make sure it works properly. Before finishing, take a moment to preview the page and make sure the hyperlink appears exactly where you want it. If it looks good, you can go ahead and publish your site so the changes go live for your visitors. And that's it. You've successfully added a hyperlink in GoDaddy Website Builder. It's a fast process once you know where to click, and now you can easily direct visitors to any external website you want. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more GoDaddy tutorials and website building tips.